Hello everyone, I am Shreyas Ranvirkar and this is my third task for the Data Science and Business Analytics internship at the Sparks Foundation. So the task is to perform exploratory data analysis on dataset of sample superstore. Okay, so the sample superstore datasets consists of the information for the sales of a product or for the delivery of a product, that is the mode of shipment and which sector is buying the product, and country, city, state, postal code, region, uh, collectively tells about the address of the buyer, and category, subcategory tells about the item or product, uh, and the sales, what quantity, how much discount, what profit or loss it made. Okay, so our next objective is, as a business manager, try to find out weak areas where you can work to make more profit. So I have done different visualization. We will go one by one and analyze the situation. Okay, so the first chart is a pie chart, that is profit by region. So in legend we have given the colors correspond to different regions. So we can clearly see that the western region is making maximum profit, followed by eastern region, followed by southern region, followed by central region. Okay, this stack bar chart tells about the sales by region. So the western region, in western region there is more sales, followed by eastern region, followed by central, followed by southern region, and the bar is subdivided into the sector or the segment that is buying the products. So consumers are buying most of the products in western region, followed by corporate sector, followed by home offices, and the similar trend is followed in rest of the states. Okay, this is a similar graph, but the bars are subdivided into the categories the items belong to. So in for example, in western region, most of the items belong to furniture category, followed by technology, followed by office supplies, and in eastern, technology, furniture, office supplies, and in central and southern region, technology, office supplies, and furniture. Okay, one thing we can notice that western region, we can see that western region is making most of the profit and most of the sales, followed by eastern region, but the central region is making least profit, even though it has more sale than southern region. So yeah, we have to concentrate on the southern central region, why there is least profit. Okay, this is a chart, tells about the profit by subcategory, and the bars are subdivided into regions, that is the sales of that product in that region, and we can see that tables is making most of the loss in the eastern region, followed by southern, followed by central, but in western region tables are not making loss. Similarly, bookcases is making loss except in southern region, and similarly we can say that machines, fasteners, supplies, bookcases, tables are making loss, and yeah, furnishings, appliances, binders are making loss in just in central region. So that's why the central region has most of the loss, is at least profit. Okay, this chart tells about the profit and sales by state. The color gradient tells that the darker the region, the more is the sales. So in California, the sales are higher, and we can see that profits are also higher in California. And yeah, the Texas is making most of the loss, that is minus 25k, 25.7k. followed by Ohio, followed by Pennsylvania, and yeah, these 10 states are making loss. Okay, this graph shows the profit by subcategory. Yeah, we as we have seen previously, the tables are making loss, followed by bookcases, supplies. Now if you want to see that in Texas which products are making loss, we can simply click on that bar, and yeah, we can see that binders are making loss, followed by appliances, followed by furnishings, machines, bookcases, tables, supplies, storage. Yeah, and in Ohio, let's say here machines are making loss, followed by tables, followed by bookcases. And similarly for each state we can analyze that what products are making loss and what products are making profit. For example, in California, see, almost all the products are making profit. In New York, yeah, machines are making most of the profit. In Washington, tables and copiers and binders are making profit. Yeah, similarly we can analyze for each state. And similarly, if we click, for example, here tables are making loss, so if we click on the tables, we can see that in which state the tables are uh, making loss. For example, yeah, the wash in New York State, tables are making loss, followed by Illinois and North Carolina. Yeah, let's see for bookcase. In Pennsylvania, in Texas, it is making loss. Let's see for copiers. Okay, in Washington it is making most of the profit, followed by Carolina, and it is not making any loss. So copiers, yeah, we can increase the sales of the copiers. And but phones are making loss in Pennsylvania, but it is making most of the profit in New York. So we can increase the sales of phones also, except for these regions. Okay, similarly we can check for each subcategory. Okay, our one more objective is what all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. Okay, so this chart tells about profit by discount. Okay, we can clearly see that the profit is decreasing as the discount is increasing, and it is obvious that the more the discount, the at least the sales should be high. Means for high discount the sales should be high, but we can't see that trend here, because when there is no discount there is most of the sales. Yeah, here and followed by 0.2 discount. Okay, so here we have seen these graphs previously. So if I click on the consumer segment, let's say, so this is also making loss when the discount is greater than 0.3. Corporate sector, same. Home office, same. Technologies, of it is 0.3 is making somewhat profit, but after that it is making loss. For furniture category, yeah, let yeah, after 0.25 discount it is making loss, and yeah, this is making loss after 0.5 0.55, let's say. Okay, for each subcategory also we can check. Point 3, 0.3, 0.2. Okay, overall if we can see that at 0.2 the sales are high and also profit is high, so we can conclude that when the discount is greater than or equal to 0.3 there are chances of loss. So and also it is obvious that if the discount is reduced, the the profit will also increase, or at least the loss will be lower. Okay. And yeah, we have to create a dashboard. So I have created a dashboard. Let's see each element. So this chart, bar chart, tells about the state-wise sales, and the color gradient represents that darker the color, lesser is the profit or more is the loss. And similar color gradient is followed here in map. And this card tells the state name. As now we have not selected any state, so it tells the topmost name that comes when state names are arranged in alphabetical order. And this card tells the overall profit, overall sales, overall quantity sold. And this card tells about the subcategory that has made maximum profit, subcategory that has made minimum profit, city that has made maximum profit, and this card tells about the city about that made minimum profit. And this chart we have seen earlier also, that is profit by category. Technology makes most of the profit, followed by office supplies, and least of the profit is made by furniture category. And this tree map tells profit by segment. The bigger the rectangle, the more is the profit. And this chart tells about the profit by ship mode. So the standard class shipment, so that the products that are delivered or that are shipped through standard class makes most of the profit, and the products that are delivered on the same day makes least of the profit. So now if we select, say, the Texas, so we can see that it is making a loss of 25.73k, and corresponding sales we can see how many quantities delivered. And yeah, we have seen earlier that binders are making most of the loss. And for Fort Worth city made maximum profit. And yeah, sector and category, office supplies category made most of the loss, followed by furniture. And yeah, by selecting each state, we can analyze the situation using these components and charts. Now let's say I have selected California. It makes the maximum profit. Yeah, corresponding sales. And yeah, we have seen that tables make list of the profit. Los Angeles city makes most of the profit. And yeah, corresponding all the details we get here by selecting the state. Washington, yeah, Florida, yeah. So that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's all. Thank you.